On a cold October night, Emily moved into her new house at the edge of town. The house had been vacant for years, shrouded in mystery and local legends. Determined to make it her home, Emily began unpacking. As she opened an old wardrobe, she found a dusty antique mirror. That night, strange noises echoed through the halls, and the temperature dropped suddenly. Emily decided to investigate. She walked through the dark corridors, her flashlight flickering. In the mirror, she saw a shadowy figure standing behind her. She spun around, but no one was there. Terrified, she tried to leave, but the doors wouldn't budge. The figure in the mirror grew clearer, revealing a pale, ghostly woman with hollow eyes. Emily screamed, but no sound came out. The ghost whispered, "Leave now or suffer the same fate." Desperate, Emily smashed the mirror. Instantly, the house fell silent, and the doors unlocked. She fled, never to return. The next day, the house stood empty again, waiting for its next victim.